My name is Ra. I live in Nuremberg, Germany, but my story began in a small village in Cameroon when I was born and raised. For centuries, money has been the main tool we use to exchange and to grow. It influences how we live, the healthcare we receive, and the education we can access. Yet, it has also created enormous inequality between people, communities, and countries. When I moved to Germany to study and did an internship at an Oikocredit support association, I was inspired by the fact that the majority of people empowered through the programs were women. That experience stayed with me. I want to follow the trail of money, not just to see where it goes, but to understand how we can create fairer financial flows. Today, I have joined a coffee walk and talk. I listened to Mark's story about how climate change affects livelihood and businesses, even across the entire production chain, including the coffee industry.
Climate change for sure is one of the biggest challenges for agriculture globally. Temperatures are rising, we're having more droughts and rainfalls. And for the coffee sector, I can tell you that the arable land, especially for the Arabica plant, is decreasing.
We were walking through stories of people whose lives are directly shaped by how money flows. One story that really stayed with me is about Gerardo, the manager of a cooperative in Peru.
Yeah, this is why Oikocredit invests in socially oriented cooperatives. They really care for their members. They pay fair incomes. Members get extra benefit in terms of health and education, and they really care for the environment.
For 50 years, Oikocredit has supported socially oriented businesses in Latin America, Caribbean, Africa, and Asia. Because Oikocredit supports Gerardo's cooperative with reliable timely credit lines, it creates financial stability for smallholder families, allowing them to send their children to school and access quality healthcare and education. That made me realize what matters is not that we invest, but where we invest. Across Europe, Oikocredit Support Association creates spaces where people like me can ask better questions. These past days, I did not just do some activities. I feel like I have become part of something bigger. I learn about stories, systems, and possibilities. I walk away with the knowledge and tool to invest responsibly. But I discover as well that it's not only about investing with my money, it's about my daily choices too. Oikocredit is not only about investing. Learning connects us, stories move us, our action drives change. Join the journey with me.